So the big news coming in from Mumbai this morning, the two men who had fired right outside Salman Khan's residence, they've now been caught. And interestingly, the Mumbai crime branch has managed to catch them all the way from Gujarat's Bhuj. That's the latest that we are bringing to you right now, that the men who had fired shots right outside Salman Khan's residence that we had also shared. Remember that it had hit near the balcony area of the Galaxy Apartments. But remember, this was a big chase also for the Mumbai crime branch. And senior officer from the crime branch has confirmed the identities of the two men. I'm going to tell you about the names now. Vicky Gupta and Sagar Pal, involved in the firing case at the residence, have now been arrested from Bhuj in Gujarat, where they were hiding. According to our sources, cops have located both the bike-borne assailants that were involved in the firing. They are being brought to Mumbai. This was, remember, early Sunday morning, when these two bike-borne assailants opened fire right outside Superstar's residence. And this is not just about an isolated miscreant mischief. This is being seen as a full criminal network threat that have been largely against Salman Khan over a previous Black Buck case. But could it be beyond that as well, as the crime branch is exploring? Because there were posts taking responsibility that have emerged. It appears that there have been more details coming in on that. Joining me now is Dipesh Tripathi for the latest on that. Dipesh, tell us and break through this for us about how can two men randomly, and you know this could have been a very difficult chase for the Mumbai cops to be able to find and nab them. How did they manage to have the evidence, catch them and catch them from Gujarat? What are the details coming into you?
Yes, indeed, it was a very difficult task for Mumbai crime branch, especially when they were having a no lead and the attackers were fully planned to how to mislead this investigation. Mumbai police, with the help of Gujarat police, was able to successfully nab these two attackers from the Gujarat, Kutch, and the most importantly, both the attackers will be brought to the Mumbai around 10 a.m. by the flight by Mumbai crime branch, and pretty soon Mumbai crime branch will hold a press conference. The most important part, the Mumbai police used the technical analysis and the informal network which they have all across the Mumbai and Maharashtra. The most importantly, that the both attackers started fired on Salman Khan. After they went to Risha to Bandra station, and from Bandra they went to Santacruz station, and from there again they boarded a rickshaw and they went to Dahisar and crossed Mumbai, which is the end point of Mumbai. So it was a very difficult task for Mumbai police, but within 48 hours of the firing, 36 hours of the firing, Mumbai crime branch was successful to nab these two attackers.
Also, I want to understand here, Dipesh, because the whole network that it is being seen, that it's not just some disgruntled fan or a miscreant, but this is a full-fledged criminal network that is being seen here. How is the Bishnoi gang and the US-Canada references coming in this case?
Yes, the information which we are getting from our sources of a crime branch, that in a preliminary investigation, these two attackers might be linked with Bishnoi gang, but they cannot say because they have not got time to investigate these attackers, which is said by the Mumbai crime branch. But yes, in a primary inquiry, there may be a possibility that these two might be linked with Bishnoi gang. And the Mumbai crime branch will try to find out that who is actually behind it, who has given the orders on Salman Khan, and who is the mastermind behind it. Almost is to attack, taking the responsibility of the attack. But we have to see that is Anil Bishnoi is the man or not Bishnoi behind it. That is going to know pretty soon.
Dipesh Tripathi joining us and getting us all the exclusive details. Dipesh, appreciate you speaking and giving out the updates coming in on this on the first up. So here's what has happened. If you're tuning in just now, in the past few hours, there's been a big breakthrough. Remember, this wouldn't have been easy. It's like a needle in the haystack. The Mumbai crime branch managing to find those two men who fired right outside Salman Khan's residence. In fact, they were even wearing helmet. And yet, the crime branch, through their chain trail, have managed to bust this case. Two accused who have been arrested in the firing incident were arrested from Bhuj in Gujarat, on Monday. Now, the accused were identified as Vicky Gupta, who's about 24 years of age, and Sagar Pal, about 21 years of age, and we are being told, from Bihar. They will be brought to Mumbai. More disturbing details have emerged about the plot. Sources have told India Today that the plan to open fire at Salman's residence was hatched at least a month ago, and these men had been doing a recce. They even rented an apartment in Panvel in Mumbai. They had planned to target the actor at his Panvel farmhouse. But amid this, actor was also spotted for the first time since the attack. The car was surrounded by a convoy of security vehicles and security men. Salman's younger brother, who's also producer-director Arbaz Khan, said entire family is taken aback by the incident. They've said that they do not believe that, with the criticism coming in, if this was a publicity stunt. Joining me now as our team of India Today reporters on the ground in Mumbai are constantly trying to find updates from different quarters. Vidya now joins me. Vidya, you tell us, what is the latest update coming in this case? Because to be able to nab these men within 24 hours, but also to find out further chain trail, because there was a social media post by one Bishnoi gang member who appears to have taken responsibility, but it connects even to US and Canada. How is this being seen by the Mumbai Crime Branch?
For sure, the work had been done by the henchmen who were probably employed, given money, and in regards to that, they had taken this entire action. And the Mumbai Crime Branch was very sure that they would not have been able to leave, the country. So the entire trail was found out, how these two men, after shooting right here outside Salman Khan's residence, had dropped their vehicle about a kilometer away. From there, they took auto rickshaw. From there, the way they tried to escape, the entire route was mapped down. And that's how the crime branch tracked down these men in Bhuj. And now they are being brought back so that they can be, taken to a magistrate court here for further remand and further interrogation.
Vidya, also right now, how is the situation around Salman Khan's Galaxy Apartments? It's anyway a big tourist destination, that and Mannat, which is nearby, which is Shah Rukh Khan's residence. But has the security been tightened in this area? Salman Khan, is he going on and about to the public appearances? Does he have a stricter cordon now around him? He does have Y+ security already, isn't it, if I'm correct?
Yes, in fact, since the last threat that was made, remember, this is not the first time that Salman has been threatened. In fact, the social media post very clearly said this was just a trailer and that there will be more that would be followed. So obviously, the Chief Minister of Maharashtra spoke to Salman Khan immediately and assured him that his security will be beefed up, which is already Y+ security, since the entire incident which happened some time back, wherein some threats were meted out to Salman Khan following the Bishnoi gang threats that we all know has been because of this entire Black Buck case, and the Bishnoi feels that, this entire incident of Black Buck case was because of Salman Khan, and that's why holding him responsible has been threatening him. So, this entire threat that has been coming about has already made sure that the security is beefed up. He has got a very secure car in which he travels. Apart from that, he has been given a permission to carry his own personal firearm, which in case he needs, he can use. So. Yes. These are the security measures that have been taken, yes. And the Chief Minister has already assured that his security will be further beefed up. So there are, no chances being taken.
And in that post, it said that this is just the trailer. And that's one of the reasons that the cops are not taking this lightly as some miscreant activity, but that this could pose a serious threat of life to Salman Khan, and that's why the security has been cordoned around him. Appreciate you joining us, Vidya.